All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So one thing I've been pondering is it even worth me getting the Moto Z3 Play? I've heard rumors of the Z3 Force, but then I've heard rumors that there's not going to be one. So, you know, for those that have the Z3 Play, what do you guys think about it? This to me is a more premium design because of the metal finish, the brushed aluminum finish. I really like this, but I like tech and I like phones, and sometimes I want to get a phone to review it and possibly keep it and sell the older version. But my other Z2 Play, or my Play devices from Motorola, I've gotten rid of them already. I have some Motorola of the lower end phones, and then I have this higher end phone, and this is a premium phone, and it makes me wonder if I should even give this up and get the Moto Z3 Play. So if there's anybody out there that has both phones, what do you think? Now, my Moto Z2 Force is in pristine condition. I do use this, believe it or not. I just keep it charged up and sometimes in a case, but lately I've just been using my Moto Mod because this thing has so much grip. I bought this a long time ago when I bought the phone, and this is just feels like the size, you know, it feels like the way the phone should have been. But I noticed with the new phone, the Moto Z3 Play, you're getting 6 gigs of RAM, but will that even matter? Because it has a Snapdragon 636, and it does have a Super AMOLED display, and you know, this one has that plastic OLED display because it's, you know, shatterproof or whatever. But this is a 2K, this is a 1440p display, and this is this new one is 1080p. And I like the design of the new one. I like the placement of the fingerprint reader, but I think this is a more premium feeling phone, probably because, you know, we know what glass feels like. Glass will track fingerprints and everything, and I don't have to wear a case with this phone right here. And so I was wondering, I thought, you know, I wonder if there's anybody out there right now who actually has both phones and you actually prefer the Z3 Play better, or you prefer the Moto Z2 Force better. Now, I don't have the Z3 Play, and I had it in my cart, and I was like, should I get this? Because I just feel like it's going to be redundant from what I have. I think the Snapdragon 835 in here is going to be really, really nice, and I think it'll definitely outperform the 636 in the long run, probably. Because I have Snapdragon 636 phones, and you know, after a little bit of time, I gotta admit they do have a little bit of hiccups every now and then, but I haven't experienced any of that with this. And I've had this, I don't know how long I've had it for a long time, but I really favor the Moto Z2 Force and what it offers, man. And I love all the Moto mods I have. I have the projector, I have this, and I have a couple of I think I have 3 Moto mods. I don't remember what they are at the moment, but I know I got the projector and this and something else. But they'll all fit the Moto Z3 Play. So is it worth spending the $450? Because I can get it from $450 on Amazon. Is it worth spending the $450? Do you think? I'm just kind of getting your take on this. I'm not saying I'm going to wait for you guys all to say yes or no, and then I'm going to decide based on that. But I'm kind of indifferent whether or not I should pick it up or not. So if you have the Z3 Play already, tell me what you like about it in the comments. Tell me your dislikes about it. And if you have the Z2 Force, I know people who have the Z2 Force. I know you guys love this phone. It is a premium feeling phone. Battery life is great for me. I definitely like the look of this phone better than the Z3 Play because of the brushed aluminum. I really like this, and you know, I know if I drop this on the back, it won't shatter and it won't crack or do anything. And I'm definitely used to the fingerprint reader on the front. All the Moto gestures are there. But do you think that, because I'm not going to get rid of this, I think, regardless, because remember, I got mine for $300. I got this phone for $300 brand new, so there's absolutely no way that I'm going to get rid of this. Someone will have to give me $300 for this in order for me to sell it. So because it doesn't sell for $300 right now, it sells for higher than $300. So but again, you know, what do you guys think if you have the Moto Z3 Play? Tell me in the comments what you love about it. Tell me what you dislike about it, if you have any dislikes. But I can tell you, I'll probably like the hardware better on this phone because the premium feel of the aluminum brushed aluminum look and everything, I think it just looks fantastic. You can also get this one in gold and white, and also that black that Verizon offers and AT&T offers, I believe it too. But you know, spec wise, you know, this is definitely better. It weighs a little bit less. It's about the same size as the other phone, like as far as how tall the phone is. They basically squeezed the bigger screen in here and moved the fingerprint reader to the side and made it a little bit thicker. but you also get that Super AMOLED display on the Z3 Play, which I know is fantastic. So tell me, guys, quick video. I want to know what you guys think is a good move. You know, I'm getting the 1.7 aperture on the new device and opposed to the 2.0 on here, but these cameras are great. You know, this has laser autofocus and it's got the dual LED phone. It's the LED tone flash. It's got the HDR. This is not a chump. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I go ahead and pick up the Z3 Play? Do you think it's worth it? Because, you know, I don't like the redundancy of some phones, but I do have phones that are redundant in my category, i.e. an iPhone 7 and an iPhone 8, you know, like that. And I do have other Motorola phones, and they're all running like a champ. But what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. It's your man Jay Will. Take care.